these days, there aren't any. Unbelievable. Wow. Bruh.
That's a brilliant insult.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
They attempted to use Polk's grandfather's capitulation with the British during the war.
Got my farm burned down.
Well, yeah, it went nowhere. The Polk team were able to find plenty of evidence that Ezekiel was very loyal.
Yeah.
I mean, he became a sheriff and everything.
Mm.
Yeah. Equally, of course, the Democrats tried to attack Clay because they'd done that and they'd do it again. But it did very little. I mean, Clay was so well known, there's just nothing new.
No.
Everyone knew everything they needed to know about Clay, and they either supported him or didn't. So that didn't really go anywhere. So, after a slightly disappointing election, the result week came along. This is 4 days where the states would report their votes. Polk was at home. awaiting the news. The
for him to win this primary. And those are the voters we should be focusing on. Like, this strategy of just picking and choosing issues based on how they poll at a current moment, as you say, Sam, as if, like, the polling is static and that leadership can't change things. It's the anti-politics. It's like, because the Democrats just want to get in power so they can be a concierge like Schumer, or so that they can craft legislation and do the good work of keeping the budget going every year or whatever, where it's like, do you want to do politics? Do you believe in something other than getting into power? People smell that, and that's why the Democratic Party has a lower approval rating than Donald Trump.
Guys,
anyway,
what the...
Fun times.
Yeah, speaking of fun times, should we look at the...
I'm gonna pee real quick, but I know exactly this video. I've already watched it, so don't worry.
God damn it.
We're gonna play this while...
Maybe read some Mayans.
Oh yeah, we'll read some Mayans. Wiggle Land. A lot of people on Medicaid are permanently disabled and completely unable to work. That's why we can't live without publicly funded health care, and why so many are going to die as a result of this awful bill that Democrats did absolutely nothing to prevent. Dave from Jamaica. In the past, they tried prison labor to work the fields. Didn't work. This is skilled labor. Sam, I'm going to need you to pause and do obligatory poggers. Please and thank you. Folks.
Stop.
Scary Mountain Wizard.
Good God, come on, get back to the car!
The Dems capitulate to the GOP over and over again. It's simplistic to think that they're the same, but it really keeps looking like both parties serve money and power, and one just timidly waves a rainbow.
Jesus Christ.
I mean, I think that's a slight oversimplification, but without a doubt,